Hey guys, here's my quick video on the installation for the Wahoo Skin by the Wrap My Bike guys of Netherlands. This is for my wife's Wahoo Element Roam, and it's pretty cool that these Wrap My Bike guys give you 2 Wahoo Skins for every purchase that you make. That's awesome. And if that's not enough, they even have this cool guarantee. Alright guys, now on to the actual install. I'm going to whip out the cleaner to get all the dirt and grime off the Wahoo Roam so that the Wahoo Skin could stick on it properly. And I would just use the hairdryer to just dry off the surface for a clean install. And now cautiously we'll be peeling off the Wahoo Skin off the backing. We'll start from the bottom edges, working ourselves slowly and very carefully all the way up. So you start with both the left and the right side, and pay particular attention as you are at the wingtips at the top part of the Wahoo Skin. Now onto the actual install. I would suggest you to work from the bottom left and work your way up using your fingers, just ensuring that each of the edges are in line with the Wahoo screen. Use your fingers, just touch it down, and pay particular attention when you're at this bottom part, because that is where the mount connects with the Wahoo Roam, and if the skin is jetting out, you will have this issue where it will start peeling off after a couple of use. Right, just use your fingers, dab it down. Now onto the top part of the hood, just make sure that it's aligned. Don't worry about the wingtips for now, and work your way down to the right side of the Wahoo Roam. Still using your fingers, just making sure everything is connected and aligned. Now onto the wingtips. I would suggest you to use the hairdryer at a very low heat settings, and give it a couple of whiffs so that it's easy to work with and bends to the contours and shapes of the Wahoo Roam. Press down from the bottom part, the middle, and the top. Alright, that's it. Once you're happy with the install, use medium heat of the hairdryer and just press down on the skin. If there's any imperfections, you could just remove them, especially bubbles, and that's it. You're done. So there you go guys, quick install tip for you for the Wahoo Skin by the guys of Wrap My Bike. If you like the content that I've done, please share, subscribe, and give your comments if you feel that there are better ways of installing the Wahoo Skin. This is mine, my first install. Not quite happy with it, but it'll do for now. So anyway, take care, enjoy the weekend, and happy riding, folks.